Hi guys! Having troubles with RTC connection in Discord on PC? I have few solutions to this problem and I'm going to share with you. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go! Solution number 1. Reset your network settings. To do this, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing CMD. Now find command prompt and run this application as administrator. Click yes, and now you need to enter a series of commands, write them down and enter just like me, one by one, hitting enter after each. Winshock reset, enter, then ipconfig//DNS, enter, and ipconfig/renew. Enter. Then open Discord and try to connect to the chat again. Solution number 2. Manually connect to a custom DNS server. To do this, hit the Windows key, start typing Control Panel, go to Control Panel, switch to View by Category and click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your internet connection over here and go to Properties. Now you need to find Internet Protocol version 4, open Properties, and switch this radio button to use the following DNS server address and enter one of these configurations by Cloudflare or by Google. I prefer Cloudflare this time. Click OK to save your changes, and now you can close everything and check if the problem persists or not. To check which DNS server is better, is faster, you need to open your command prompt, so Windows key, CMD, run as administrator, and typing ping .1.1.1.1. Hit enter, wait for a while. The ping is 7 milliseconds, and now let's check Google. Enter. 5 milliseconds. So I'm mistaken, Google is better so far, but you can check it every time or search for your own custom DNS server by other providers. Solution 3. Disable high packet priority and debug login. To do this, click on the gear icon next to your username to open up settings. Now on the left pane, scroll down to voice and video, and here you need to find the section which is named quality of service. This one, and disable this feature. Now scroll all the way down and disable debug login. Now click OK. Discord restarts and everything should be alright. Solution 4. Remove corrupted Discord data. To do this, you need to completely quit Discord, open the system tray on your taskbar, right-click on Discord icon and quit Discord. Now hit Windows R key combination on your keyboard and in this field type in %appdata%. This command, hit OK. Now find the Discord folder and delete this folder. And just relaunch Discord and check your RTC connection again. Solution 5. Change region override settings. To do this, hover the channel where you have the RTC connection problem, click on the gear icon, here scroll all the way down, and change region override from automatic to some country. So you can try different countries, by the way. If nothing helps, try to completely uninstall Discord and after uninstallation hit Windows R button. Once again enter app data, click OK and delete the Discord folder and then repeat this action with local data folder. So Windows R, local app data, OK. Find Discord folder, delete this folder and reinstall Discord from scratch. Make sure you have an access to your account because you will need to re-log in. And guys, I hope everything is fine with your RTC connection in Discord. Subscribe to Guide Mentory channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.